Ways to my heart. Buy me food, make me food, be food.
So we're getting ready to make a quick dish here. Green jackfruit. I don't know if you've ever had it before. It's not to me, the most tasty in this state, but people who are, and I actually thought I put all of the water. I thought I poured all of it out, but I guess I didn't. It's not the most beautiful piece of it's a fruit, but I'm using it as a meat today. As some chicken, I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken nachos. And as I mentioned, it's not the prettiest, but it's really good. So stay tuned and watch how I whip this together real quick.
So once you get the jackfruit into the pan, you want to fry it lightly, not too long, because you don't want it to burn. You just want to get it a little hot, so when you add the barbecue sauce, it blends in well together. It doesn't matter what kind of barbecue sauce you use. This barbecue sauce right here came from Aldi's and it was 99 cents, and it is so delicious. I don't have a favorite barbecue sauce. If I find one, then I'll keep it. Otherwise, this Aldi's barbecue sauce will just be just fine, okay? I love to hear that sizzle. So in regards to chips, again, it doesn't matter what kind of chips you get. I like tortilla strips because it allows me to scoop up the nachos. And so I poured some into a bowl, a nice big bowl where I can serve it to my family. And of course, you gotta have cheese. The cheese makes this dish. Again, I am an Emo's cheese girl, and then I add this Kobe and Monterey Jack to it as well, and it is really delicious. And I love green onions and scallions, and so this is a picture of all of that on top plus the green onions. And now we're going to add the cheese, and then on top of the cheese we're going to add the barbecue sauce. And when we finish adding the barbecue sauce, and I just put a little extra on because the meat is on the bottom, we want that sauce on top as well. And once we put the barbecue sauce on it, we're going to put it in the microwave for about maybe 30 seconds. You just wanted the cheese to melt. So I am going to taste this. Let's see how this tastes. I always love my own cooking sometimes. And I had a taste for this because I had vegan today and I needed something different. Ooh. Yum. Oh, yum. I'm going to give it an A-OK. And so this is the final product. I did put some different peppers on there, some diced scallions, and it is oh yum. My mama used to say, if I make you some food, you better eat it. Never leave the plate empty.